Dear students, today we want to discuss exercise 3.7, problem number 5. Very interesting and very easy problem. No one can say this problem will be difficult. Problem is very easy. So, in a triangle ABC, angle C equal to 3 times of angle B equal to 2 times of angle A plus B. Find the three angles. So this conditions is given. Now we have to find three angles A, B, C. What are the angles? Now solution is start. So here given angle C equal to 3 times of angle B equal to 2 into angle A plus angle B. This is given condition. By angle sum property, we know by angle sum property sum of the three angles equal to 180. Since angle A plus angle B plus angle C we know 180 degree by angle sum property. We know this formula. Sum of the three angles equal to 180. Now angle A plus angle B, we putting angle C. Angle C equal to 3 times of angle B. Putting the value of C, this is 3 times of angle B equal to 180. So, angle A, this and this, for angle B equal to 180. This is number 1 you consider. Just this and this, 1 and 3, 4. Again, angle A plus B plus C equal to 180. Again, we rewriting this. C equal to, we can write 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Again, putting the value of C. Angle A plus angle B. And value of C 2 times of this, 2 times of angle A plus angle B equal to 180. We get this. So here we have to write, since angle C equal to 3 times of angle B, and here we have to write, since angle C equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Just given condition, this we write this and this one we write here. Now this implies angle A plus angle B plus 2 into angle A plus 2 into angle B equal to 180 we get. Multiplying by 2 we get this. 2 and 1 we get 3. 3 angle A, this and this. 3 angle B equal to 180, and dividing both sides by 3, angle A plus angle B equal to 60 degree. This is number 2 we get. Number 2. Now these two are same. Angle A same. We subtract these two. Now we want to write this. 1 minus 2. Now 1 minus 2 implies. So if we subtract 1 and 2, this is A cancel. 4B minus 1B, this is 3B. 3B equal to, this is 180 minus 60, this is 120. And this implies angle B equal to 120 by 3, this is 40. We get 40. And putting the value of B here, since C equal to 3 times of B, this implies C equal to 3 into 40. This is C equal to 120 degree. We get this. So we get this measurement, and these are degree. So C we get. Now we want to find what? B and C we get. We want to find A in 2. Now 2 implies angle A plus angle B equal to 60. Angle A we want to find, angle B we know angle B is 40 degree. This is 60. And angle A equal to 60 minus 40. So this is angle A equal to 20 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 20 degree. Angle B equal to 40 degree. Angle C equal to angle C is 120 degree. So this 3 is our answer. Angle A 20 degree, angle B 40 degree, and angle C 120 degree. These are the answer. So very easy problem. Consider problem number 7. Solve the following pair of linear equations 1 and 2. Now we want to solve this. So solution is that number 1, px plus qy, taking this one in left hand side, p minus q equal to 0, and qx minus py minus p plus q equal to 0. So we get these two equations. Using cross multiplication method, we can easily find this result. By cross multiplication method, we have. So what we have, when you consider x, then this one cancel, we get this. So we get q minus p minus p minus q minus p plus q. We get this. Taking y, then this one cancel, this and this we get. Minus p minus q minus p plus q, and this is pq. And the last one you consider 1, then this one cancel, this we get. This is p q minus p, we get this one. So this is our cross multiplication method. So when you taking x, this we write. Y, this cancel, this and this we write. And 1, then this. So this implies x q into this minus q into p plus q, and minus plus, but middle sign is minus, p into p minus q. Y, this into this minus this into this, minus q into p minus q, minus plus, p into p plus q. So 1 by minus p square minus q square, this into this. So this will be x by minus pq minus q square minus p square plus pq. Y by minus pq minus plus q square plus p square plus pq. Now answer coming soon. This is minus p square minus q square. This implies x by pq cancel, minus p square minus q square again. Y by pq cancel, p square plus q square equal to, taking minus sign common, we get p square plus q square. So this implies we get x by minus common p square plus q square equal to this 1 by minus p square plus q square. Y by p square plus q square equal to 1 by minus p square plus q square. This implies these two are like terms, cancel, x equal to 1. This also like terms, cancel, y equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. This 2 is our answer. This is the answer. So very easy. Consider problem number 2. In 2, this is ax plus by minus c equal to 0. bx plus ay minus 1 plus c equal to 0. So by cross multiplication, method, we have cross multiplication method, we have, so what we have, when we consider x, this one cancel, this, we get ba minus c minus 1 plus c, and y taking, then this one cancel, minus c minus 1 plus c, and this is ab, and the last one is 1, this one cancel, ab b a. So this implies x by minus b into 1 plus c minus minus plus ac, and this is y by minus bc plus a into 1 plus c, 1 by a square minus b square. So this implies x by minus b into 1 plus c plus ac equal to 1 by a square minus b square, and y by minus bc plus a into 1 plus c, 1 by a square minus b square. We get this one. Now this equal to this equal to this, so we can write, I want to write here, this implies x equal to minus b into 1 plus ac, 1 plus c plus ac by a square minus b square, and y equal to minus bc a into 1 plus c, this is a square minus b square. So we get this one. So denominator a square minus b square, and if we multiply this one, minus b minus bc plus ac, so we get this a square minus b square in denominator. Next, from these two, taking c common, if we taking c common, then a minus b, and this is minus b we get. From these two terms, c common, a minus b minus b. This is our x, and here also we can write a square minus b square minus bc plus a plus ac, and this is a square minus b square remains same. From this and this, first and last, taking c common, we get a minus b plus a. This is our y. Therefore, finally we write x equal to c into a minus b a square minus b square, and y equal to c into a minus b plus a. C into a minus b a square minus b square, and c equal to y equal to c into a minus b plus a by this, and this 2 is our answer. So dear students, these solutions are very easy, just simple calculation. Without practice, you will face some problem, and with practice, these are very easy. So I think you are feeling easy. If you are feeling easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and click the bell icon. Thank you.